Hello and welcome. Did you know that you could potentially add more than 20 valuable years to your life? Today, we're delving into a fascinating study that uncovers 8 secrets that could revolutionize your health and longevity. As time progresses, our understanding of human health evolves. Recent research suggests that longevity is not just down to luck or genetics, but largely due to the choices we make. In fact, with the right habits, you could gain more than 2 extra decades of life. You might ask, why is this important? The answer is straightforward. We all aspire to live long, fulfilling lives. But more than just adding years to our life, we want those years to be healthy and vibrant. It's about enhancing the quality of your life as well as its length. This isn't about finding a mythical fountain of youth. This is about empowering you with scientific knowledge that can inform the decisions you make every day. From what you eat to how you manage stress, these factors have profound impacts on our health. Remember, before making any major changes to your lifestyle, always consult with a healthcare professional. It's time to seize control of your health journey. Stay tuned and we'll unravel the 8 habits that may add decades to your lifespan. The 8 lifespan boosting habits. First, we have physical activity. Staying active isn't just about gym membership and intense workouts. Incorporating moderate exercise into your daily routine, such as brisk walks or cycling, can lead to significant health benefits, improving cardiovascular health and strengthening the immune system. Second, ditching smoking. It's no secret that smoking has numerous detrimental health effects, including heart disease and various cancers. Quitting smoking can dramatically reduce your risk of developing these life-threatening conditions. Third, managing stress. Chronic stress takes a toll on our bodies. Simple practices like mindfulness, yoga, or even time spent outdoors can significantly lower stress levels, promoting overall wellness. Fourth, a good diet is pivotal. Consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains supports a healthy body from heart to brain. Fifth, stop alcohol intake. Excessive drinking can damage the liver and increase disease risk. Sixth, good sleep hygiene. Quality rest rejuvenates the mind and body, impacting everything from mood to metabolism. Prioritizing regular, sufficient sleep is vital. Seventh, fostering positive social relationships. Interacting with loved ones can uplift our mental health and well-being, bolstering resilience against stressors. Finally, avoiding opioid addiction. Opioid misuse can lead to devastating health consequences. It's essential to use prescribed medications responsibly and seek help if struggling with dependence. The study found these habits associated with reduced mortality rates, shedding light on the powerful interplay between lifestyle and longevity. Impact of lifestyle factors on lifespan. Certain habits showed a more pronounced effect on lifespan. For instance, low physical activity, opioid use, and smoking took a significant toll on life expectancy. Limited physical activity often leads to an increased risk of heart disease and stroke, while smoking and opioid misuse can result in severe health complications, even premature death. Let's not overlook the risk associated with other factors. Stress, excessive alcohol consumption, poor diet, poor sleep hygiene, and a lack of social relationships. Chronic stress can trigger a cascade of health issues from hypertension to immune suppression. Overconsumption of alcohol alongside a poor diet can damage the liver and increase the risk of several types of cancer. Disrupted sleep or lack of sleep affects everything from cognitive function to metabolism, and social isolation can impact our mental health negatively. Speaking of mental health, we must emphasize its vital role in life expectancy. Mental health issues such as chronic anxiety or depression are not only burdensome psychologically, but can also lead to physical health problems, including heart disease. Thus, it's essential to consider mental health as part of our overall well-being. Finally, while this study gives us an eye-opening perspective on lifestyle factors and lifespan, it's one piece of a larger ongoing conversation. The beauty of science is that it continually evolves, offering new insights into our health and longevity. The connection with chronic diseases. It's crucial to understand the intimate connection between our lifestyle habits and the onset of non-communicable chronic diseases. Health is a long-term investment, and the decisions we make daily can have a profound effect on our well-being. However, remember, every individual's health scenario is different, and professional medical advice is essential when considering changes. Unhealthy habits can set the stage for chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers. For instance, a diet high in saturated fats and sugars coupled with limited physical activity can lead to obesity and type 2 diabetes. Moreover, smoking, a harmful habit affecting millions worldwide, is a major risk factor for heart disease and several types of cancer. Now, this might sound disheartening, but there's good news too. Enter lifestyle medicine, a field dedicated to preventing, treating, and even reversing chronic diseases through lifestyle interventions. Its focus is not merely to treat the symptoms of chronic conditions, but to address the root causes, most of which lie in our daily behaviors. Lifestyle medicine promotes a whole food, plant-based diet, regular physical activity, adequate sleep, stress management, avoidance of risky substances, and positive social connections. It's about making sustainable changes to our lives to support long-term health. Studies like the one we're discussing today underscore the power of lifestyle medicine and the critical role our habits play in determining our health and lifespan. Science continues to provide us with tools to live healthier, longer lives. It's up to us to make good use of them. Every little change counts. Each step forward counts when it comes to enhancing your lifespan, no matter how small. That's the encouraging insight we glean from this research, and it's especially meaningful for anyone feeling daunted by the prospect of complete lifestyle overhaul. The study doesn't demand perfection. Instead, it underscores the significant impact of even a single healthy habit. Let's say you're not ready to fully transform your diet or start a strenuous workout routine. Maybe you can begin by working on your sleep hygiene or tracking stress through mindfulness techniques. Every health choice adds up, contributing to a positive ripple effect on your overall well-being. Equally important is the understanding that it's never too late to start. Age should not be seen as a barrier to embracing healthier habits. Even if you're late to the party, the benefits can still be considerable. A balanced diet, increased physical activity, or quitting smoking at any age can make a meaningful difference to your health trajectory. However, adopting healthier habits isn't always straightforward, and it's okay to seek help. Reach out to healthcare professionals who can provide personalized advice and guidance to navigate this transition. Remember, your health journey is uniquely yours. There isn't a one-size-fits-all approach to wellness. The aim isn't to be perfect, but to make progress one step at a time. It's about being better today than you were yesterday, and that's something we all have the power to achieve. For instance, maintaining physical activity keeps your body strong and resilient, while managing stress effectively can safeguard your mental well-being. A balanced diet nourishes your body, providing the essential nutrients for optimal function. Good sleep hygiene rejuvenates your body and mind, enabling you to tackle each day with energy and focus. Positive social relationships offer emotional support and enrich your life, contributing to a sense of belonging and happiness. And of course, abstaining from harmful substances like tobacco and opioids protects you from the risk of addiction and related health complications. Remember, this journey towards a healthier lifestyle isn't a race. It's a marathon. There's no need to rush or feel pressured to make all these changes at once. Start small, perhaps with 1 or 2 habits, and gradually incorporate others over time. Remember, this information is not definitive or absolute. It's based on an observational study that has found associations, not causality. While these habits are associated with longer lives, they do not guarantee longevity. Factors like genetics, healthcare access, and socioeconomic status also play a role in our lifespan. Nevertheless, this knowledge empowers us to make lifestyle choices that might potentially extend our lives. Whether it's choosing to eat more whole foods, hitting the gym, or reaching out to an old friend, every little change counts. Remember, you should always consult with a healthcare professional before making major lifestyle changes. In the grand scheme of things, a healthier lifestyle may not only add years to your life, but could also add life to your years. So why not take that first step today? Start with one habit, nurture it, grow it, and witness the potential transformation in your health and well-being. That's all for today's enlightening journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-related content. Stay curious, stay informed, and above all, strive to live a healthier, happier life.